Hi! I decided to face the awkwardness of filming again because I am currently planning a new route. A lot has happened since my first video because I went from Otavalo to the coast, to Mompiche, and the idea was to stay there just for 2 nights or something, but I ended up staying for 12 days because I really loved it. So side note for everyone that wants to go to Ecuador, go, because it's not dangerous at all. And if you want to go to the coast, well, not everywhere in the coast is handy right now, but Mompiche, I can guarantee you can just be there safe, nothing, no pasa nada. Okay, that being said, I'm actually filming now because I am investigating a new route for tomorrow. Because I'm in Quito right now, and I want to go on the move, and I'm looking now what I'm going to do. And the idea is to go to Cotopaxi, like a natural park with a nice volcano, and ride up the volcano if possible. I heard from some people that they could not enter with the bike, but I am investigating if there might be some nice off-road routes that can maybe ditch the entrance, so I can maybe still go with the bike. Well, so that's something I am investigating right now. And then I want to go from Cotopaxi same day to Laguna Quilotoa, and ride around there and then stay the night there. So that will be quite a route, and I am using this very long intro because I am going to record it because I think it will be a beautiful ride, and I think I will be happy to show you guys and bring you guys along. So yeah, so that's the idea. So early morning tomorrow. Right now I'm in Quito because I needed to fix some things for the bike. My hand protection was loose, and it was a special bolt, and the bolt didn't have anywhere. So, but the guys from Ecuador Freedom helped me out again, which was great. So now I'm all set to go. So early morning tomorrow because it will be a long day, but a beautiful ride. So yeah, hopefully I have some nice footage for you to show you after this. Okay, bye. Morning. It's 6:07. I couldn't sleep anymore. I've been awake all night thinking about this road. So yeah, I'm getting up, I'm getting ready. I'm going to hit the road, and I'm excited. Yeah. Hi. It's for the first time that I am going to wear thermal layers. I don't know if I'm going to regret this. Maybe it will be too hot, but I'm going to be in very high elevation today, and I hate the cold, and I just spent 2 weeks in the beachside, and I'm a little bit, you know, used to the nice hot warm weather. So yeah, let's see how it goes, but I hope it's not too cold or too hot. Let's see. Okay, so first stop, I'm in National Park Cotopaxi. I think I've been driving now for 2 hours almost, and it started raining, so I just put on my rain gear, and I'm not going to enter because you cannot enter with the bike. I wanted to, because then you can maybe drive all the way up the volcano, but that's not possible, so I'm just stopping here to put everything on, and for the first time I'm going to place these gloves on the bike. I got them from Quinton, Nomad on 2 Wheels on YouTube, follow him, and I laughed very hard when he gave it to me, but I have to come back from that because now right now I'm very happy with it. So I'm going to place these on because my hands are freezing already. I think it's now 3,600 meters here. So yeah, first up, nice ride, nice road. Yeah, I'm going to continue. This is the Ruta de los volcanoes. Anyways, so it goes through all the volcanoes in the neighborhood, and then we're going off-road all the way to Laguna Quilotoa. Dus. Okay, now let's go again. Fuck, I just realized that I lost a bag here. My SD card was full again, and I remember having one in one of the bags that was in here, so I took it out, and then fuck, I forgot to place it back. It's still on the fuck. Oh, okay. Well, part of traveling is losing things. I try to remember what was in there. I think only nail polish and acetone. So nothing special. Fuck, but I don't like that I lost this bag. Okay, well now my water bottle can in there, or a fuel bottle, whatever. Okay, fuck it. Let's go. Okay, so I was going from Cotopaxi to Laguna Quilotoa, and I wanted to make a little detour because I saw that somewhere in a small village was a nice waterfall, and I'm a sucker for waterfalls. So I went there with a little detour. It was a super muddy road, but now there's this kind of roadblock going on, and I don't really know if I can pass or not, but I will not. I'm not going to risk it. It looks very muddy as well. Yeah, so detour for nothing. And this thing is not working. I think because of the height. Sometimes it freezes. It was a little bit cold, but fuck. Okay. Yeah. Onwards towards Laguna Quilotoa or something. Small break. It's been let me see, I started at 7, it's now 11, so it's been 4 hours already, and all of a sudden, man, I was part of in a rally. It was a rally going on, and I was riding with all the rally attendants. Yeah, that was interesting. Nice technical terrain, and makes me wonder, I want to do a rally as well. And but now I stopped because I saw eucalyptus. I don't know what the word is in English. Eucalyptus? I don't know. But it smells so good. Reminds me of Portugal. And I need to pee, but I see there's a farm over there, so I need to find another spot. Too much information. Okay. Yeah, I also want to eat something. I haven't had breakfast yet. So I guess I'm going a little bit further until I find something. It's nice countryside. Yeah, so all good. Let's continue. This road keeps getting better and better. Look at this. All the roads over here is what I'm going to ride. The views are amazing. There's literally no one here. It's amazing. It's so fucking nice. Ha! You know what? It rains, it's cold, but I don't give a shit because I have my waterfall and cows and no one here and a nice dirt road that leads to a beautiful lake. Ha! Happy! What else do you need, right? You know what? I'm speechless about this route thing. Wow. I'm now here. A nice little river going on this side. A couple of sheep chilling. It is so amazing, and there's literally no one here. There's sometimes a little house that I don't see people in, and then I'm like, okay, thank God there might be people, because if I fall right now, I'm fucked. So don't fall. But yeah, this is amazing, really amazing, and I'm really gutted that my GoPro battery died, so I cannot record the roads, and the roads are so nice, and sometimes technical, but also like great helmet hair, by the way. Nice and technical, but just yeah, it's amazing, really amazing. So I'm almost at the lake, and I'm super hungry. There is nothing here, so I have a bottle of water and that's it. So hopefully there will be something to eat over there, and otherwise it's fasting day today. So even the sheep are cute here. It's like, ha! Oh, what an amazing route. Yeah. Okay, I give up. It was a whole road up with loose sand, and it was quite challenging with all the load. But now I'm having another roadblock, and normally I would just go, but there's no one here. It's super misty. I have all my load with me. Fuck! So, yeah. Guess I have to turn around. So close, yet so far away. I wish I could say it's beautiful, but I can't see shit. Oh, what a day. I need food. After this, I went straight to a hotel because I was cold, but the next morning I had a perfect view of the lake. And I found a new dog friend. Oh, what a ride so far. I left from Quilotoa, and it was a little bit misty, and at one point the mist, oh my god, I couldn't even see the car in front of me, and wind and cold, my nose, I think it was frozen, but then I started the off-road route towards Salcedo. My goodness, what an amazing road, like everything I like loose rocks, mud, all the technical stuff, nice little sheeps and alpacas and dogs and cows, and really nice road. So yeah, I'm making my way now to Salcedo, and from there I'm taking the normal road to Baños, and then from Baños there is another off-road route, but I will do that tomorrow or the day after, because I still feel my body a little bit from the day from yesterday, the ride from yesterday. So I think in Baños I will search for a massage, and then I'm all set for another nice off-road route. But my oh my, what an amazing road is this. I fucking love it. Now I'm here chilling with my sheep friends for a little bit, and then I'm going to continue. The map shows that it's a very curvy road, so yeah, curious to see what I will find next. Ooh, I almost made a nosedive here in this swimming pool. I'm making so many friends. Come here. Hi, from the bush from Ecuador. I just made an almost slide, and I ended up in the bush. But with the motor still straight, thankfully. But yeah, It was slightly deeper than I thought. Oh. Well, also nice. The road to Baños was semi-blocked by the police because they were warning everyone that you have to be careful because of all the landslides that are on this road. And it's incredible if you see, if you see what a force this river has, then I can imagine. Wow, it's really impressive. It looks like one big mud river. Oh, well, almost at Baños, 10 minutes left. I'm going quickly because I'm hungry and cold, and it's been a day. Okay, bye. ¿Dónde van?